Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're drawing a bouquet of flowers for Mom. So let's get started. To draw this beautiful bouquet, let's first start by drawing a circle. So I'm going to start right here, and this is just going to be the center of my flower. And I'm just drawing a very basic flower with 5 petals. So I'm just going to go ahead and go around my circle and just have fun with this. This is just meant to inspire you, and you can draw whatever kind of flower you like. So now I have one flower. I'm going to come next to it, say about right here, maybe go up a tiny bit, and I'll start again with my circle. So my circle is always going to be my base, and then I'm going to draw around it, and once again, same thing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. There. And then one more on the other side. So say about right here. Same thing like the other side. And once again, 2, 3. Just notice I'm just having fun with this. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just want 5 petals going around. Or you can even have more. Like I said, this is just to inspire you. So then we're going to go up to the next level. So I'm just going to stagger my flowers. So I'm going to say about right here, I'm going to add another circle. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. So as I do this, if I hit one of the other flowers that gets in the way, I'm just going to imagine it. Oh, I guess that one was fine. And this one's okay too. But I'm just going to draw around it. So if I ever hit a flower, I'll just do that. So maybe one right here. Same thing. So like right here. And I'm just going to go around. Okay, so then let's draw one maybe up here a little bit higher. I just want to create this nice full bouquet. That's my goal. 3, 4, and 5. There. So then same thing around here. And by just kind of making it a little bit orderly, it just helps me to build my bouquet without it getting too messy and me trying to figure out where to put flowers. Okay, so I've created this, and so then now let's draw the top. And so maybe the top will just fit in like maybe 3. So let's say up here in between. So then maybe one here. And then one more about right here. There. Okay, so something like this, just a nice roundish shape. So then from there, I'm going to come to the bottom. These two are pretty much kind of about the same height. So I'm just going to use that as my base. And I'm going to come about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve. And same thing here. So that I can connect everything towards the center. So let's say about right. Come back and make this a little bit rounder towards my center. So we'll say about right there. And then just go ahead and connect it. And then from there, we're just going to come down the center and say about right here. Just going to draw this part that kind of poofs out. So like where the ribbon is tying everything together. And put some curves right here. And then we can draw the bottom. So come in a little bit. And same thing here. And then just kind of give a little bit of an angle. Maybe some lines right here. There. little curve here. But that's the idea, to bring everything together. So then now wherever area you have, we're just going to fill it in with leaves. So say like right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw the shape of a leaf. And same thing here, without having to draw too many details. So then when you color in between, you can just make it all green without having to make it too detailed. So something like that maybe, and then here. You just want to close up all the gaps. So we can do that with some leaves. Or of course you can do draw flowers too if you want. But I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. So that's my goal. So I'm just going to add 2 shapes there. Sorry, that kind of looked weird, so I'm going to change it. There. And let me come in here really quickly. My white nail pen. And clean this up for you since I'm here. And of course, I will clean it up more when I color it. Okay, so now that I have that in, we've created this beautiful bouquet, and then everything's closed up so that when you color it, you can just put in all the greens inside. And so since we have some space in between here, you can if you like, you can add some small flowers, or I thought it'd be really cute just to add maybe 3 circles wherever there's some room, just to make it extra special. Here and there. It doesn't have to be 3, I guess. But 3 just seems to be nice shape, so. But I think that's okay, right? I think we have enough. And then let's come about right here. Oops. Put in some curves. And then last thing I want to do is say about right here, I want to add a tag to make this extra special. So this part, I'm just going to add this very simple tag at an angle. So I'm going to turn my body. And since it's almost Mother's Day, I'm just making this for Mom. But of course, you can write whoever you want right here. And in the center, I'm just going to put this nice big heart. And then I'm going to write Mom right here. But like I said, this can be for anybody you want, right? There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this beautiful bouquet to celebrate Mother's Day or any day. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.